Ki Samla Pule postgraduate ke North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy niya kabadan hamaudiang diang Shillong kila penlong jinga ki syatngan baklemput nadu ka arpenyo tarik naiwing hadien bakim shumlayo ya ka stipend mentala palat shisnam kumju kanika jinga ki kalongru halor ka jing slamban yo ya ka jing ithu na ka school ba nehu ba ka jing bam dan guide ya ki Samla Pule kat kum ki kendon jo ka National Commission for Homeopathy and CH Kiladon barok prangut ke Samla kenthai kentup sangut nakatup Pule North East category but sangut nakatup All India category kibla shim ya kaneka senjam ban pelong daka jinga ki syatkan ke baklemput hadien la sakiru ekiwe pat ke Samla Pule ki balawan banyas nok tilang ha kaneka jinga ki da ka basyong kelan mengor marpersyak ko office director kania Ki Samla Pule kilaya thu banadu ubna yayong kiladap ban pha bun tli ki jingtho ba dorcas cha ka office director kania Henry hadu menta kam shumla dan ka no ka senjam ban pen urlong ya ki jingdawa ki jongki
hunger strike कर रही हैं can you imagine the level of pain she is suffering from कि 2 साल का बच्चा है उनका तो कैसे वो हैंडल कर रही होंगी और यहाँ का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इतना नकारा है जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं है आप इस बात से समझ सकते हैं कि उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा 48 घंटे तक जब तक हम लोग नहीं आए थे कि वो जाके हालचाल भी पूछ लेते या कुछ करते जब हम आए ऑफिस का काम यहाँ रुका सब कुछ रुका तब जाके आज उनकी कानों पे जोर रहेंगी है कि नहीं 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 हमको करना है तो आप देख सकते हैं कि बिना संख्या बल के हम वो उनकी बातें क्यों नहीं सुनी जा रही थी क्योंकि वो सिर्फ 8 लोग थे तो 8 लोगों को तो कोई भी इग्नोर कर देगा कि चलो यार ठीक है ऑफिस में ही कम से कम 25-30 लोग तो ऑफिस में ही हैं तो इग्नोर कर दे रहे थे लेकिन आज जब पूरे कॉलेज ने यूनिटी दिखाई है तब उनको हमारी बातें सुननी पड़ी तो वी विल यूनाइट ऑलवेज टुगेदर एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस अंटिल आवर डिमांड्स आर फुलफिल्ड
Kumba pitip kaniya kadon hapo Meghalaya but 50% admission nakabenta ka UG kumjuru nakabenta ka PG kata ka MD ki shim 50% North East 50% na All India ne te don ki khana ro ki ba na North East hi kila wan puli hang ni kila treshitom kila sacrifice ya kasnam jong ki sisnam arsnam ban prepare lang baka exam ban yo ban wan yo admission hang ni ti ki PG jongi ki bapuli MD ki postgraduate ki claim yo stipend haduk mentaru kila tre ha hospital kila hikai ru yangi ti ki claim yo stipend la sisnam lentar mentah ka affiliation bat kani huru ki khampat affiliate ki claim aya ki ka surety ba kani ka kam makitre kanam le no ken ki susngo long sep no kanika bawan jongki hang ni nang ta kabalai pade bakim don guide kim don nong hikai kumangiru ha college ngim don hi ki proper nong hikai yakile khamtam kaba kila le chakhamat mo kila puli MDA te kidon kam bha ya ki guide kidon kam bha ya ki nong hikai ban kan long scam kataka lawe jongki ti tang kita hilai teli bangidon kam guide ngidon kam yak sarkar bakan ai ka stipend but ngidon kamru ya ka ayu ka affiliation bat kanihu ki seniors ki ong ru ba ki kidang don haka hunger strike manta ki seniors ki ong ba anda ki ai ka stipend tan anda ki ai ka stipend te kin sange no ya ka hunger strike henre kin dang yale be ya ka hunger strike ya ka affiliation te kidang la hi ban up kinang le hi ka protest henre ya ka hunger strike ki ong ba kin sange tan anda la yo ya ka stipend tangkat tahe kani ka first batch jong ka ayo first batch jong ka PG ken ke bala shim admission menta ano si menta class na du ar phone riu tarik November khandai beji men step ter kandap lai sngi menta kasni rangun sangut hot kenthai sudah sangut All India sangut na North Eastern states wilayah hot kila shitom jur menta ka BP kala lo ki SPO2 ki doktor baro ki batre ha hospital kila ya pe kenya ki menta te ka sugar blood sugar level la duna kila eye drip la IU menta menta ngam dati kena mar bu mjuk hamdan judan director judan hire dadan hang ni deputy director umjula re benchim decision Umjudan hi re PE hi mentaba P1 ru director ru umdan deputy director ru umdan kisong ho ato ngi pet ngi yo I kabay ngi I ha news ngi I ha camera kajia kumta taba kim ju yadon ki director.
The director is absent. He is in Delhi. The deputy director is in Delhi, and the in charge, who is supposed to be, he is also not here. So our college, this college is running in just vain and the air. Nobody is in charge here. Nobody seems to responsible here for anything. The 8 PGTs that are striking, they are hungry for more than 48 hours. This is third day of their hunger strike, and nobody is listening to their demands. This should stop. The administration should listen to us. Actually, there is a national exam. They have given national exam for admission in PG homeopathy. Then they took admission. Their classes was started from December 2023. So the rule by NCH, National Council of Homeopathy, is that within 3 months they have to be registered in the respected university. Our university is NEHU. So our college didn't have the affiliation from NEHU for this course. In spite of this is a national institute of Ayurveda and homeopathy, and also the NC's provision is that within 6 months they should have guide of their own for their respective subject, but they don't have guide also, and if they don't have the affiliation, then they are not getting the stipend also. For more than 1 year they are working here without a stipend, and this is very shame for a national institution that we have to face such things here. And they have passed the national exam. They had gone through all of the requisite counseling processes. They have done everything they can do as a student, but here there is no mistake in of that. Everything is mistake of the administration and everyone who is responsible for these sort of things. So I urge to solve this matter as quickly as possible. No, I wouldn't say his absence is intensely, because I think as far as I know, he is in Delhi for some case. Our college has faced one RTI in 2017. Then for that case, he is in Delhi. Sometime, actually, our director is not permanent also. No, he is he is advisor of in Ministry of Ayush. In the absence of the director, whoever is the advisor of the Ayush, he will be the in charge director of our college. Therefore, there is no director here, no permanent director here also. He he got relieved from his post. He retired. Sorry, she retired.
How many months there is no
About I think from August there is no director. Up to July, her tenure was till July. The previous director. From August we don't have any permanent director also.
कि हमारे ग्रीवेंसेस जल्दी से जल्दी सॉल्व करने की कोशिश किया जाए एज सून एज पॉसिबल। वर्बल नहीं, हमको रिटर्न नहीं चाहिए। हमको वर्बल एश्योरेंस, हम 1 साल से यहाँ पर हैं, हमको वर्बल एश्योरेंस मिल रहा है। वी वांट इन रिटर्न। यस, वी विल कंटिन्यू आवर हंगर स्ट्राइक टिल दैट डेट वी डिडंट गेट आवर स्टाइपेंड। आफ्टर स्टाइपेंड एंड एफिलिएशन
We have 3 grievances. First is they have not disbursed our stipend since 1 year. So we want our payment because we have worked 1 year hard here in hospital and we are not paid yet. First grievances is this. Second is we are not yet affiliated from the NEHU as said by in the institute that they are affiliated by NEHU, but they are not. And the third is they have not allotted guide to us. According to NCH norms, they have to allot us guide. They have not yet allotted. These are the 3 grievances for which we are here. Since April, we are pursuing them. We have written letters. We have the receivings of that applications and all.
was there any assurance that you will be doing this, addressing your problem in any specific time or anything?
Last time September, when we are holding protest, so director came and he reassured about 2 months. He said in 2 months we will get the affiliation and you will get the stipend also. But till date, it's been more than 2 months, 2.5 months. Yet we are not getting any stipend and any affiliation yet. This is the first batch of our, and there is no second batch. This is the also uncertainty. We are uncertain about our future because there is no next batch admission. So we are the first, and we don't know we may be the last batch here. We are 8 of us.